Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video, I'll give a long-term review of this Boat speakers, Boat Stone Granite. So let's get started. So I purchased this Boat Stone Granite from Amazon.in about a year ago for rupees 999. You can get this speakers right now for about 14,999 from Amazon or Flipkart as well. During sale days, this goes for sale for around 999. So I'll start with the design aspect of this. This is a very rugged designed speaker. It is IPX6 rated, so you can take it for swimming as well. Don't submerge this into water. It is only splash resistant and it is dust resistant. As you can see, this design is very rugged out here. It has got the good strip to hold it. It is quite portable as well. There are 4 buttons present here. One is for power on off, one is for play or pause or taking calls as well. It has got a microphone as well which can take calls. It has one plus and minus key. One thing to mention guys, if you click plus button once, it changes the track instead of increasing the volume. To increase the volume you have to keep pressing this like this, so keep in mind that. And also it has got this flap over here, so which makes it pretty water resistant. This flap opens up like this. Here you have got 3 slots. One is for USB, one is for aux cable, and one is for charging this. Then this flap can close like this. One problem with this flap is when you open this flap and the charger over here, you cannot place it on table like this as it slips away. So next thing is about the battery. So this, when fully charged, this runs for about 4 to 5 hours in 80% volume or so. It takes 2 to 2.5 hours to completely charge this up. And now talking about the sound quality, this speaker boasts of 5 watt output and it is a very bass heavy, all products of both. The mids and lows are a bit tiny I feel, because it's a bass heavy speaker, as Boat is known for that only. It is great for small rooms. I used to keep it in my hostel room and it used to blow up my hostel room, as hostel rooms are normally small. So it can be used for rock heavy room. Here is a sample audio from the speakers at maximum volume.
Chill by Sakura HC. Take You There, feat. Ria Chumi by Spectrum.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who treat me right. Your dark hair.
Help You Out, feat. Jonathan Robbins by Lionel Casio.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
After the Rain by Rex Lambo.
In the end, I will give this conclusion that this is good for small rooms and parties, and if you want to watch movies with your friends, 3 or 4 friends together, you can easily do with the speakers. If your laptop speakers are tiny, you can use the speaker for that. I would not recommend it if you are using it for a hostel party or something like that, because you can buy speakers of 10 watt. A version of this comes of 10 watts, that is Boat Stone XL. That sells for around 3,000 rupees I guess. So rugged design, as I told you, you can drop it anywhere and not ever feel anything about that. And this flap here is kind of cool, and this, by holding like this, it looks like the Bear Grylls cup that we are all fan of. So I hope guys you like this one. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.